Hey guys, so I'm here to share with you a little journey, I guess, that I'm taking to try to find something that holds my hair as well as the original Chebe did. And I have what I came up with so far in my hair, and it's working pretty good. This is the second day that it's been in my hair, and they're still really, really juicy. So I'm just going to take you through that process, and I just wanted to say thank you to the person who commented and suggested this and gave me the website to find a lot of the information that I used. So I will leave that link to the blog in the description box. So I have some dried parsley and some dried nettle, some fenugreek seeds, some cinnamon that's already ground, some fennel seeds, not sure how to say that, and then some rosemary. And all of these ingredients I did look up online and found that they were good for the hair before I added them. And I pretty much eyeballed everything. And this gave me about 4 ounces, and 4 ounces covered my whole head. And I started with the food processor, but it didn't get everything ground down fine enough, so I did wind up transferring to a blender. And also, if you get fenugreek seeds like I did from the grocery store, you need to roast them before you try to grind them because they'll grind a lot better. And I did wind up using the cinnamon, but since it was already ground, I figured I didn't need to add it to the food processor at this point. And you will also see me use spirulina in here to darken it. So as you can see, the food processor, it got all of the dried stuff besides the seeds. And the seeds were still kind of chunky, so I had to transfer it to a blender. And it got it a little bit better. But like I said, I didn't roast them at this point. And once I sifted everything, I roasted them and then ground it down. And it did way better. So this is what it looks like. And I used a T-ball to do my sifting because that's what I had. And I'm sorry about this camera angle. I should have did it on the other side. But this is just me transferring the big chunks into the other one so I can roast. And that's after I added the spirulina to darken it. And this is what it looks like after I roasted the seeds. And then this is just me applying it to my hair. And that little bit that I made 4 ounces, and that's exactly how much it took to do my whole head. And I still applied it the same way that I did the traditional Chebe, which was spray some water, use some oil, which I use avocado, put the powder on, and then use my pine tar or any grease that you decide to use. And then I threaded it. And it is dark green when I put it on my hair. But once I add everything in, like the grease and stuff, it did turn into like a dark brown color. And this, it doesn't stink. It smells like a veggie smoothie that I normally drink. So it doesn't have like a weird smell or anything. And after a while, that smoothie smell kind of neutralizes out. It is still a little bit messy, but you don't have that many chunks or crumbs that will fall out because the way I did mine, it was really, really fine powder. And that's just me threading. And then I'll show you my whole head and show you how well it blends in. And I'll keep you guys updated if this works and how well it works. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Check the description box for more information. See you next time.